Hi viewers, today is our lecture first. So let's start. MCQs number first. Guru Amar Das became the third Sikh Guru on answer March 1552. Point age 5 May 1479. Died 1st September 1574. Age 95. Period 1552 to 1574. Utrecht University was founded in the Netherlands on answer March 1636. And its important points: a public research university and ranking 13th in Europe, 49 in the world. Royal Albert Hall was opened by Queen Victoria on answer 1871. And its important points: it is concert hall, its seating capacity is 5272, located South Kensington, London. And the next MCQs: United States was discovered by Christopher Columbus during his voyage in answer 1492. And its important points: Italian explorer and navigator, born 1451, Genoa, Italy. Died May 20, 1506, Valladolid, Spain. Napoleon Bonaparte was a military and political leader. Answer French. And its important points: born 15 August 1769 in France. Died May 5, 1821, Langwood House. He implemented fundamental liberal policies in France. The Royal Australian Air Force was formed on answer March 1921. And its important points: founder Richard Williams. It's commanded by Chief of Air Force. It has 259 aircraft. Socotra Island in Indian Ocean belong to which country? Answer Yemen. And its important points: area 3796 km square, lies between Godfrey Channel and Arabian Sea. Socotra Island in Indian Ocean belong to which country? Answer Yemen. Points: area 3796 km square, lies between Godfrey Channel and Arabian Sea. Highest elevation 1503 meter. Qatar has donated $1 million for Syrian refugees. Answer 50. And its important points: 6.8 million Syrian are refugees. Syrian refugees are in Turkey, Lebanon, Jordan, and Germany. Which Gulf separated Yemen from Somalia? Answer Gulf of Aden. And its important points: area 410,000 km square, maximum depth 2,700 meter. It is located in East Africa and Western Asia. What was the old name of PIA? Answer Orient Airway. And its important points: founded in October 29, 1946, headquartered in Karachi, Pakistan. It has 56 destinations. China unveiled what first male news anchor named? Answer Qin Hao. And its important point: he is working in Xinhua News Agency. Largest province of Pakistan according to area is? Answer Balochistan. And its important point: area 3,47,190 km square. It has 33 districts, established in 1st July 1970. Which of the following person recommended Abdus Sattar Idi for the nomination of Nobel Prize? Answer Yusuf Raza Gilani. Points: served as 18th Prime Minister of Pakistan. Political party: Pakistan People Party, PPP. Born 9 June 1952. Which company laptop is known as the lightest laptop and feature? It's named in the Guinness Book of World Record. Answer: LG. And its important points: founded January 5, 1947. Headquarter Seoul, South Korea. Founder Koo In-hoi. Who is the author of famous book The Discovery of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Points: he is Indian independence activist, first Prime Minister of India. 27 May 1964, age 74, New Delhi, India. Which German automobile company has entered Pakistani market recently? Answer: Volkswagen. Points: founded May 28, 1937, Berlin, Germany. Headquarter Wolfsburg, Germany. Founder German Labour Front. Salam Place. Salam Places. Salam Palace is located in which country? Answer: Kuwait. And its important points: located in Shu'a, Kuwait. Floor 2, cost 16.5 million US dollar. Floor area 32,000 meters square. World Meteorological Day is observed on. Answer: 23 March. Point: established in 1961. Theme: the ocean, our climate and weather. 21st March is observed internationally as. Answer: International Day of Forests. Point: celebration because awareness of the importance of all type of forest, observed by UN members, founded in 1971. The Kohat University of Science and Technology, KUST, is a public university located at Kohat district, KPK, and it was established in. Answer: 2001. Point: a public university located in Kohat, KPK, Pakistan, inaugurated by Lieutenant General Syed Iftihar Hussain Shah. Thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Pictorial Knowledge and like, comment and share our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.